Yep.
Okay, that's how much big this is. Almost 40 centimeter. Now I want to show you the parts that I have um, into here. So most of the stuff that you want to know, the location. So this is my battery location, and that's my receiver. We are in Australia, and right now in summer, so it's very hot here. So that is the center of gravity. I already marked here a dot, so you can use that dot. So yeah, let's see. So this is the dot, so you can use that as a CG. So that was my first flight, and the files will be available on Curls 3D Curls website. Happy flying.
Yeah, very far. Extremely quiet. Wow. Wow. Sun. The sun. Wow. Speed is crazy. Focus, please. I've lost it. There you go. Went too far out. I'd almost lost it. Wow. That close up. Amazing. When the plane speeds up, that's when you can hear the motor. Wow. Landing coming in. Nice and gently. and then the pilot